Hello everyone, I'm Rajeshwari and I'm from Bangalore, Karnataka. I completed my BE in computer science. When I was looking for job, I got to know about eVision through online job portal. eVision is a great platform to learn and grow. I joined eVision on 20th October 2022. After completing my online job training, I got placed in NTT data with package 3.5 lakh per annum. The trainers are really helpful. They made sure not only we learn IT concepts theoretically but also practically. Irrespective of educational background, everyone are welcomed here, those who are willing to learn new technologies. The second thing is support team. Support team are like warriors of eVision team because they are always supportive and reachable. Thank you, eVision.
So, what are you waiting for? Join a vision, join job.